The next song of the evening is Mamavatu Sri Saraswati. Lord Saraswati is depicted with 4 hands holding a rosary, Vedas, and a veena. She is compared to flowing water, hence, she is the goddess of wisdom and knowledge. She always holds the ancient instrument veena, depicting harmony surrounding nature. She sits on a white lotus, which depicts that she is rooted in supreme reality.
Set to Adi Tala, the composer is Mysore Vasudeva Acharya, choreographed by Srimati Swatni Dinesh. The performers are Kritika Vedatriya, Tara Meghna, Manvita, Advika, and Abhirami. Let's give it up for their performance.
Shri Saraswati, Mamavatu Shri Saraswati, Amba Mamavatu Shri Saraswati, Kavakoti Pita Nivasini, Mamavatu Shri Saraswati. Saraswati, Kama Koti Pita Nivasini, Mamavatu Shri Saraswati, Kama Koti Pita Nivasini, Mamavatu Shri Saraswati. पूजित चरण राजाधिराज पूजित चरण राजीव नयना रमणीय वदना राजाधिराज पूजित चरण राजीव नयना रमणीय वदना सुजन मनोरथ पूरण चतुर निजगल शोभित मणिमयहार सुजन मनोरथ पूरण चतुर निजगल शोभित मणिमयहार अजभान्वित वासुदेव चरणार्पित सकल वेद सारा मामवतु श्री